The Malaysian food is very delicious.
It's amazing country.
Malaysia is a country with diverse and vibrant culture.
I have been in Malaysia for a year now, and I think the diversity here is wonderful.
Malaysia have many beautiful culture and delicious food. I'm really happy to be here. I love Malaysia.
Best gila.
Friendly,
unique and wonderful.
Best food in the world, நல்லா இருக்கு.
Malaysia is modern meets tradition.
diverse and inclusive.
Rich in culture and tradition.
Makanan best, rakyat friendly.
Makan-makan pun berjenis-jenis daripada Melayu, India, Cina, Sabah, Sarawak.
Beautiful people, beautiful culture, beautiful country.
A melting pot of cultures, tradition and diverse cuisine. That's Malaysia.
Isuzu Malaysia has been established for 20 years. We are the hybrid of Japanese and Malaysia's strengths. We combine the technology and the efficiency of the Japanese industry with the great and friendly service of the Malaysians.
It is not so easy, but I'm very impressed that people of all races live together with mutual respect.
Technology is important, but we recognize that the most important asset is our people. And we make sure that everyone, regardless of their nationalities and background, belongs to one big family here.
IMSB for 20 years. A lot of changes have taken place in IMSB.
We came from all different races and background.
Walaupun kami berbeza kaum, tapi kami saling tolong menolong.
有什么问题，他们会互相帮忙。
Respect each other and achieve our goals together.
Kami juga kaya dengan pelbagai jenis juadah. Terutamanya bila adanya acara potluck. Itu yang bestnya kerja di Isuzu. Selamat Hari Malaysia. We love Malaysia.
Malaysia, you are the best.
Malaysia boleh.
Malaysia Dina வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Wahai Malaysia.
I love Malaysia.
Agi hidup, agi ngelaban.
Malaysia boleh bah?
Malaysia boleh.
我爱马来西亚。
I love Malaysia. Selamat Hari Malaysia.